Hey everyone, it's Stephanie from Stephanie's Style Co. I'm an online clothing reseller, and today I'm going to share with you guys a special box that I got. It's from a company called B&G Trading out of California. I actually heard about them through a targeted Facebook ad, so good job guys with your ads. And it was for a clothing and returns box, and it was specifically the premium box that is for returned Revolve brand clothing. The stuff that they sell in their store. For those of you that don't know, Revolve is one of the higher end, very trendy online boutiques that sell a lot of stuff that do really well on Poshmark. So in total, I paid $120 for the box, and then I got a coupon for my first time for the box, and that made it about roughly $100. So it said it had a minimum of 10 pieces, so I'm spending around $10 per piece. Obviously, I try to go within the $5 to $7 range per piece, but with it being new with tags and return and Revolve brand, I figured that it was going to be a higher ROI, so I went for it. So I haven't gone through anything in the box yet. I wanted to wait for everybody. And in case you cannot tell, I'm trying out a new microphone today to hopefully increase my sound quality. So let's take a look if I can get it open. All right. And so like I said, I haven't opened it yet, so I'm not sure what the comps for these items are. I will do some kind of graphic after or in the YouTube description to describe the particular items once I run some comps. And so I got a little thing here from them, from B&G Trading. All right, so I can already recognize this is LPA. You can see right there. Not exactly sure what LPA stands for, but I've seen it from other resellers on Poshmark. I've never run into it in the wilds or in any of my retail arbitrage finds. Let's snip this open here. It looks like it's a bralette corset kind of a thing. So let's check it out. Oh, there we go. All right, so it is a bralette style corset piece. Super cute. Let's check out the size. It is a size medium. And so if you ever see anything online, sometimes it takes me a little bit to list everything on Poshmark once I've gotten it inventoried and steamed and ready to go. But if you ever see something that's interesting to you, make sure that you let me know in the comments and we can work something out. I usually offer really good pricing for direct sales. But here we go, cute little piece for the first one. And this, oh, okay, Articles of Society. I just listed a piece from this the other day, a similar pair of jeans. So these are, let's see how we can see them. It's Articles of Society. It's another brand that I've just recently started picking up, and it's got the raw edge hem here, all white. Obviously all white is a little bit better in the spring and summer, but before you know it, it's gonna be spring break, and it will be good time for this. I'm trying to see if I can find a style. They're a size 30, and I'll have to do some more research on if they're straight or skinny leg, but just a cute pair of white jeans. And then they're all new with tags. So this is a piece from French Connection. Okay, I really like French Connection, and it retailed originally for $148. It's a size 0, so a lot of smaller sizes in this. Okay, this is great for, again, for summer or like a career wear dress. It's like a cream white color with the scalloped hem, and it's a very classic pencil skirt style. Let's see if I get that on the frame here so you can see the scalloped hem. And then that pencil skirt bottom with, again, the scalloped hem on the bottom. Looks like it's in perfect condition. So really nice piece. So far, very, very good. Really happy. It took about 2 weeks to get my box, so I've been waiting impatiently. Okay, so let's check the tag out on this one. So this is a Jack by BB Dakota. So I've seen this a couple times out in the wild, mostly at Marshall's. I've never picked it up though. I'm familiar with BB Dakota, and oh my goodness, I love this. It's got the ruffles and the flounce little sleeve here and the ruffle on the bottom. It's a really super cute red floral pattern with a wrap front and a V-neck, and it's a size 0. Let's see if it's got the original retail price on it anywhere. It does not. So this is another new with tags piece. So far we're into 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So they said anywhere from 10 and up, so we'll see how many we get. So this one is Endless Rose. I've heard of this one, but I've not really seen it, and I've never seen it out in the wild. It's a size small, and it's another new tag. It's definitely a more boho looking peasant type top with the ruffle front, ruffle bottom. It's a very interesting material. Let's see what kind of material it is. It is polyester, okay. So it is got a button back detail, and it's just like a simple black peasant type top. What else do we have? Oh, okay, Super Down. Okay, this is another brand that I've heard of but never seen. It looks like a shaper garment, either that or the world's tightest dress, probably the world's tightest dress. And it is a size extra small, and it is a pink, very stretched material, almost like a neoprene type material. Ooh, let's check this one out. And this, oh, okay, this is House of Harlow 1960 with Revolve. It looks like the collaboration. If I'm correct, I think this is Nicole Richie's brand that she does, and I know that it's a very popular Revolve brand. So that's new with tags, no price on it. Let's see if we can find the top of it. Okay, so this is another top. And what size? Does it say what size? We'll find it. So it's a sheer tunic-esque top with a interesting button front. It's like a wood button, very earthy looking. You'd have to wear something obviously underneath it. It's more of a layering type situation. Let's see if we can figure out the size. Nope, I cannot find the size, so I'll have to do some research on that one, figure out what size it is, or I'll post it with measurements. Sometimes I don't have the exact sizing. Okay, English Factory. Now this is one I've actually never heard of, and it looks like it's a crop top with a stretch fabric up top, the closure back. It's a simple stripe with the interesting lace detail at the bottom. Super cute. And no price tag on that, and that's a size small. Okay, I can feel this. It's like a velvety material, and I am all about it. I am obsessed with velvet. So let's see what we got. This brand is called Xscape. I've not heard of this. I'm not sure if it's regularly sold on Revolve. Oh my God. So this is going to be hard to show. It is a strapless velvet. It's got the boning in here for the upfront area and the chest. And it's got a zipper back. It is a size 12, which is actually a really good size. It looks like there's a Nordstrom tag on here, so it's a Nordstrom brand that they sell. And it is a super, super long, as you can see, dress. It looks like it's got an interesting little train type deal. It's got a slit, which is really cool. This does not do it justice. I'll have to figure out how to list something this long, but a beautiful velvet dress, perfect for I know prom and stuff like that's coming up. And then we've got the last piece here, and it is again another English Factory, and it's a size small. And we've got really cool, it's a white button down with pocket detail, and these really wild sleeves, very flouncy and exaggerated. So just your basic white shirt, again in a size small from English Factory. I'm gonna have to do some more research on this brand because I've not dealt with it before. So let's count how many we got. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got exactly 10 pieces. So overall, I spent around $12 again for my cost of goods. And I'm gonna have to do some more research and figure out what the comps are and post more information. And like I said, if you want anything in this haul or you want more pictures, just let me know. And I'll see you guys next time.